Good morning, students. In the last video, we have started the revision of topic pollination. Clear? In that video, we have discussed autogamy, right? Autogamy, again I revise, in which the pollen grains from the anther of the same flower will fall on the stigma of the same flower. Clear? And in that we have done two type of flowers also, chesmogamous and clistogamous, right? Now the next type of pollination is zytonogamy, right? Now what is zytonogamy? Now in this case, again the plant remains same, but the pollen grains of the anther fall on the stigma, but on the another flower of the same plant. उसी प्लांट के किसी और फ्लावर पे गिरेंगे, सेम फ्लावर पे नहीं गिरेंगे, बट वी कॉल इट zytonogamy. क्लियर? इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट सेम एज ऑटोगैमी. अगर हम इसको टेक्निकली स्टडी करें तो इट इज़ सेम. देयर इज नो जेनेटिक चेंजेस इन इट, राइट? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज you can say xenogamy. Clear? Next is xenogamy. Now this is cross pollination, you can say. Now in this case what happens, the anthers, clear, the pollen grains, they come out of the anthers and now they will not fall or remain within the same plant. Now the pollen grains of one plant, they will move away and fall on the stigma of the flower, clear, of the another plant. अब एक plant से निकल के वो दूसरे plant पे चले गए. So it is cross pollination. It is very easy to learn. देखिए X एक तरह से cross बन गया. तो you can keep in mind कि xenogamy means they will go from one plant to the another. Clear? So this is evolutionary point of view. This one is very good. Clear? And next topic for the revision is agents of pollination. Clear? Next is agents of pollination. अब देखिए, we are talking what is pollination, that pollen grains of one flower will go to the stigma of the another flower. अब देखिए इनको लेके कौन जाएगा, जाएंगे कैसे? तो उसके लिए we are having the two factors, right? One is abiotic factor, other is biotic factor. Abiotic, as from the name it is clear, we are talking about the non-living things, and biotic means something living. So in case of abiotic factors, we study water, wind, clear, these type of things. पानी से जा सकते हैं बेटा, हवा से जा सकते हैं. And in case of biotic factors, we talk about the insects, animals. ठीक है, इस तरह से वो जो pollen grains they will move from one flower to the another. Clear? Now, if I talk about pollination by wind, अगर हम wind pollination की बात करें, तो जिनमें pollen grains हवा से उड़ के जाएंगे, they will move from one plant to another by the wind. Those plants, or there should be a certain features or characters in that. What are those specific characters? If the plant is wind pollinated, then the pollen grains should be light in weight and non-sticky. Clear? So that easily they can move with air. And their stigma should be well exposed, and stigma should be feathery so that when the pollen grains come, they should be entangled in those you can say hairy like structures, as in case of the corn. Clear? आपने छल्ली को देखा होगा, उसके ऊपर जो बाल होते हैं बेटा. Clear? And their flower should have a single ovule. ऐसे जो plants are mostly जो wind pollinated है, in those cases they are having mostly single ovule, right? But the flowers are arranged in a groups, clusters में arrange होते हैं. They will form inflorescence. Clear? So these are some of the features of the wind pollinated plants. So I revised some of the topics, clear, for the Tuesday test. Now next we will do in the next video. Clear? And please learn these topics very well for the test beta. Thanks and have a nice day.